Okay, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is officially part 2 of my Q&A because my last Q&A this Q&A got too long. So I want to make sure I get all of your guys' questions so I don't miss anything. So if you haven't seen the first one, go watch part 1. I might have answered your question in that one. Watch part 1 and I'll leave it in the description box, but we're going to go ahead and just jump right into part 2 and finish asking all the questions. Okay, so we are officially asking the questions from YouTube, and I think I have a couple on Facebook. Okay, so this is from Singing a Wolf Song. So she asked, my husband and I will be moving there later this year. Do you have any tips about Arizona specifically? Oh my gosh, I have a tip, you guys. Do not throw away or get rid of all of your coats and hoodies and jeans thinking it's summer all year round here. Yes, it's beautiful, and yes, there's sunshine all year round. Besides a few foggy days, but it actually got really cold between like November to like just a few weeks ago, and it's March. Go ahead and keep your jackets if you're from a colder place, because it does get cold here. We all had to bundle up and wear jackets for quite a few months. So that is my tip actually right now that I can think of. How exactly did you move states? Like, did you take a trip first to look at a house? So me and my husband did take a trip in April of last year to look at houses. We stayed for 1 week in an Airbnb, and then we picked out a couple that we loved, worked with the agent, blah, blah, blah. And then we did all that stuff from Washington State and then officially moved here. I believe it was July. Also, when you mention the bugs, that's one thing that worries me about Arizona. Is it really that bad with scorpions and tarantulas? I've never seen a tarantula. I've seen one scorpion. It was found in our master bathroom closet, linen closet, and I freaked out that day and someone came out and took care of it. I don't see them anymore. Honestly, this is what they said. It depends on where you live. If you're in a new neighborhood that's new construction, that they're still building houses next door, that's when you're gonna see a lot of scorpions. It came in a new development. Every house here is brand new. And so half of the neighborhood was still under construction when we moved in. So I think that's why we had more in this area. But honestly, I wouldn't worry about it too much, but you do need a bug inspector. You need to make sure that you have someone coming out and spraying every couple of weeks. And then they also do something else in your home, which we ended up getting that. I wish I could remember the name. I'll try and put it here. But they end up like spraying or doing some stuff in your roof and in the walls outside of your house, so they can't even get in. Whew, girl, I'm definitely afraid of bugs and spiders and creepy crawlers. So I'm going to tell you, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So then Yashira S, I hope I'm saying that right, girl. You said, hello, I also just moved to Arizona for sunshine. Laugh out loud. We just want some sun in our lives. How do you like it here? Have you been making friends? What are your favorite things to do in Arizona? So I absolutely love it here. Am I making friends? No, I have not made very many friends. I have 3 friends that I met on social media. Some that I met from that Peanut app, and then the others from Instagram. Just that we were already like following each other since before I moved out here. And I've only really hung out with one of them. She's been in my videos a couple times, like my Shop With Me's, and we've gone out for like coffee or lunch and shopping. And so social media is what brought these girls into my life. I haven't met people. I try and go out and about. It's really hard as a stay-at-home mom too. Like if I worked a job, I'm sure I would meet people. Like my husband already has friends because he's working. So yeah, don't have any friends. No. So it is hard to make friends, but social media, the power of social media is amazing, and you can connect with people that live local to you. Just do it in a safe way until you get to know them. And other than that, that's what we have today. And then my favorite things to do here, I take my daughter to the playgrounds place. I think it's in Glendale, I'm not sure. I showed on my stories. You just pay like a few bucks and then she could play on the slides, and like it's just like a huge indoor playground place, and that's fun because there's like a cafe there, so they have yummy sandwiches and coffee and all that stuff. So I go there a lot with her. Other than that, I do technically have a gym membership at LA Fitness that I don't use anymore, and we're gonna cancel because I'm working out at home, but I do go there every once in a while, and I was in hopes that I would meet friends, but I probably should take some classes to meet friends, not just get on the treadmill. So that's probably my problem. So there's also a place called Main Event here that we just went to, me and the kids, and I'm gonna take my husband soon. It's amazing. It's a perfect date place, family date, couples date, everything. It has pool, like playing pool, bowling, arcade, laser tag, climbing some high thing or whatever, a bar and restaurant, amazing food, everything you can think of. 2 restaurants I think are in there. So go there. It's really, really fun. So this is Ralph B. I love your videos. I'm moving to Arizona soon. So great tips. My question is, how do you pick the city for your house? What are the best locations in Arizona for a family? So I had a friend, Kimberly from Style Mom XO, and she actually lived out here, and so I was able to reach out to her and say, what are some good cities in this area, or what are the good cities? So she only knew like the West Valley cities, the west of Phoenix, which I really, really love, and I am glad I moved out to one of them because it's very, very family oriented. Some of the good cities are Surprise, Buckeye, Goodyear, Glendale. I feel like I'm yelling. No. Those are some of them, and then Litchfield is really good. I just like that area. There's like a skate park that we go to sometimes for Isaiah. And yeah, so this whole West Valley area is really, really nice and perfect for a family. It's safe. Like, we could leave our front door unlocked, to be honest with you. You shouldn't do that, but we could. So I feel like it's the town like I grew up in, where that's what we did. So I feel really safe here and happy we picked this location. How old do you have to be to buy a house? So that is what Bianca asked me, Bianca Rodriguez, and I think you just have to be 18. I'm pretty darn sure. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for you. If you haven't seen part 1, you guys, go ahead and check out part 1. I answered way more questions on there. Thank you for all of your love and support. I appreciate every single one of you. Go ahead and meet me in the comments. Say hi, let me know you're here, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.